This week, EURUSD could hit 1.23267, and this is why. But before we start, we're going to see the DXY chart first. And this is the DXY chart. You guys, currently DXY is in the bearish movement. Let's go all the way to the 1 week time frame in case you don't understand what's currently going on. So yes, so guys, we broke out of this level. This level, I was really anticipating that the market was going to push back to the upside at this level. But as you can see here, what we did was we broke out of it, we gave it a retest, and now we are currently at 100% retracement. Let's now go to a 1 day time frame so you can understand better what's really happening here. So that's why we scale back down to the 1 day time frame. You can see that this was a breakout of a level that we saw on 1 week time frame. We saw the breakout, we saw the retest. I drew my counter trend line to know what's really happening in the market, because the market would come and give the counter trend line maybe after this first touch, could give it a second touch and back to the upside. So I drew my counter trend line to be able to, guide myself on what's really happening in the market. And when I saw that the market broke below this place here, honestly, I wasn't really trading because of how I've been seeing AUDUSD move and GBPUSD, EURUSD, that we're still going to talk about. I've been seeing the way this market move, so I've been just anticipating and waiting for my perfect time to take a trade. So here now we saw that DXY came up all the way down to the 100% retracement, which is giving us what looks like a double bottom. But in order to fully confirm that this market is in a full downtrend, like to continue the downtrend, we need to see a break below this level, which we did not get even at the close of yesterday's candlestick, sorry, Friday's candlestick, as you can see here. So when we see a proper close here, then we know that the DXY is coming to 94. This level right about here is where DXY is coming to next. If we see a break below this level. But if you see a bullish action come here, then that will just be valid and give us like a double bottom setting, and we can now look for like maybe potential buying opportunities when we break above this level right about here. The reason why I'm saying this level right about here is because DXY might want to show you a consolidation pattern. So see something like 2, 3, 4. Like you might see something like this happen. Do you get me? So that's why I said we need to be very careful when we are entering the markets for DXY pairs. So now, like I said, wait to see a proper break of this 100% retracement, then we can swing here. Whatever we see here determines what really happens on major pairs. So now that we understand what we can see on the DXY chart, let's even go back to the 1 week time frame. Let's talk a little bit more on what's really happening on the DXY chart. Moving DXY to the upside. Let me get this out. Moving DXY to the upside from Legacy of Time, guys. But it looks like DXY is going to bleed. And I'm actually a forex trader. I just want to make money when these people are making. All I do is just to trade exactly what I see. So from what I'm seeing now is exactly what I'm telling you guys. So let's go to the so now we are on the EURUSD chart, and this is my chart. You can see how clean my chart looks. I'll go to the monthly time frame. See how clean my chart looks. My levels are properly plotted, everything. But let's go back to where we are here though. So this is the 1 day time frame, guys. Let me show you something. This is a 1 day time frame, guys. This level was a consolidation level, a long consolidation. If you see from here, if you see like way back here, you can see this consolidation. The market has been consolidating, moving sideways for the longest of time. Now the interesting thing about this is that we broke out of this consolidation level. Now you guys stay with me, stay with me. We broke out of this consolidation level. Let me show you, let me give you guys a clear view. We broke out, we retested it, which is very very important when you want to when we want to know a short trend that's going to happen in the market. When we break out of a particular structure and retest it, that's where we know that yes, this market is very very valid to place our entries into it. Now we retested this market. We did not only retest it, we closed above it last week, which means that look, I'll be honest with you guys, we might be seeing EURUSD come up to this place. Like I said earlier in the video, But the issue, or why I want more confirmation on me seeing this pair go up, is that you can see here we gave this market, you can see this trend line here, which is a buy trend line. We made the first we made the first touch here, we made the second touch here. Now I'm potentially anticipating a third touch of this level here before we now like blow up to the upside, which will be around here. So dear traders, this week I'm going to be telling you guys to wait for the market to react right about here. As you can see, the market is still not sure. This is looking like a double top self already, so we need to be really sure. We need to see a proper close above this level before we can be assured that okay, EURUSD is going bullish. But in the meantime, let's look out for this level here. Let's look out for this level here, as the market could make a retest at 1.13398. So let's look out for this level right about here before we look long for EURUSD. But according to what I can see on my chart and what the market has given us overall, we can see that EURUSD is moving in a bullish uptrend. So let's all tap in and let's know that okay, let's wait for the market to give us that clear entry level. I'll be updating you guys during the week. So in case there's an entry level, I'll post it live here so you guys can also make money from it. So now that we're done with EURUSD, I will know what to expect from EURUSD. We're going to be moving on. Guys, if there's any pair you want me to talk about, please do well to leave it in the comment section. I'll make a video specially for you and I'll break it down for you. So you're as important as any other person on this channel. So please feel free to speak your mind and tell me your problems when it comes to trading forex. So yes, this is DXY chart. You guys already know I always say this thing if you watch my previous videos, that DXY chart is equivalent to EURUSD, GBPUSD, and AUDUSD. All of those pairs who have USD at the back or in front of them. So now this is clear. As you guys can see, this is clear. This is a clear uptrend. This is a clear uptrend. You can see here first touch, second touch. So guys, it is just very normal for us to see a third touch over here before we move to the upside next level, which is going to be around 1.42432. So when we see third touch here, we can now anticipate moving here. But now for now, I would say hold on, keep your capital, look at where the market is going, give the market a few more days to do what it wants to do, and boom, you'll be in and you make a lot of money. So that's it for GBPUSD. I'm going to talk about AUDUSD, and for real, I'll be honest with you guys, AUDUSD have been kind of choppy lately, as we can see from here. You can see this buy counter trend line that has been broken. Looks like it wants to retest, but with the way the market is moving, it's not a market I want to really get into. But I'm really anticipating and looking towards what the market will do when it gets to this level, which it is right now. Let's see if we're going to be able to push to the downside, or we're going to eventually break through this sell trend line and give us probably a change of trend to push up. Now let me see here. This is a buy trend line. Market broke out of this trend line. Yes, we tested it, as you can see here. Now, in order for the market to confirm to us that it's going to go bearish, we need to see bearish engulfing candlestick sweep around below this level here. So once you can see that and this level taken out already, then we can now say, okay, fine, maybe 80 years is going towards the downside, and we can now start looking at putting our first level targets, our first TP around here with 100% retracement. But if we do not see that happen and we see a break above this sell trend line, which is a monthly sell trend line, then we can now understand that okay, this trend for AUDUSD is going back bullish. But for now, I can't necessarily see what to expect from AUDUSD. But let's just look out and let's talk on let's talk on gold. Let's see what's happening on gold here, guys. As you can see, this is a flag pattern already. Gold has broken above it, taking out this resistance level already. So um what we can anticipate here is just more bullish movement on gold. We should see gold come up here. Maybe when we see a proper push to the upside and retest, then we can. Gold is very much bullish. So thank you guys for joining and tuning into today's video. If you want me to make any video for you, if there's any P you're currently having challenges with, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do sure to make a video for you. Thank you and have a blessed week. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you know what? When you do that, the algorithm pushes the channel to more people, and more people who are struggling to learn how to trade can find this channel, and the rest will be history. So thank you guys and bye.